Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation on work placements, employers' expectations. Your workplace supervisor. Get their contact information on your first day. Having their work, email, and phone number will be necessary for effective communications during your placement. Do not send your supervisor text messages unless your supervisor requests them. Ask for feedback as you go. That way, if there is a problem, you can fix the problem before you go on. Respect your supervisor's advice and adapt accordingly. Reporting. You must complete your activity log every week. It is recommended that you keep a daily journal to avoid missing any details or forgetting any tasks. Punctuality. Please make sure you know the hours of the business, when the lunchtime breaks are, and when the morning and afternoon breaks are. Remember to arrive a bit early on the first day. You only get one chance to make that first impression. Attendance. Students are expected to have 100% attendance. Only extenuating circumstances with absenteeism will be excused. Your work placement dates will be adjusted to accommodate your time missed. For example, if you are sick for 2 days, you may have to work an extra 2 days at the end to make up the time missed. Appointments. Please avoid making appointments during your work placement time frame. If you cannot avoid this, please consult your employer and your OJ instructor for policies regarding appointments. Sick leave. If you are sick and will be absent from work, you must notify both your work placement supervisor and your OJ instructor immediately. Dress code. Ask if the company has a dress code. More than likely, professional dress is usually required. Initiative. When you have completed an assigned task, let your supervisor know and ask for more work. Never sit there idle. Listening. Listen carefully to instructions. Take notes and ask questions. Make sure you are clear about what needs to be done when assigned a task or project. Telephone skills. Landline phones can be complicated. Callers may need to be put on hold or transfer. Ask for guidance from your supervisor. If they cannot help you, see and check the desk to see if there's a manual for the telephone. If you still can't find a manual, try Googling your phone model number, usually found on the back. Another tip is to rehearse how you plan to answer the phone. Remember to include the company name and your name. It is recommended to write down what you plan to say and rehearse it a couple of times. Office etiquette. Your cell phone should not be on your desk while at work. Make sure your cell phone is stored away from your work area and put on silent. Check your messages or emails while on break or at lunch. When taking a break with other coworkers, do not spend all your time on your phone. Take this opportunity to get to know your coworkers. You never know, this might be your first job. Multitasking and time management. When given a list of tasks to be done, ask for due dates. Organize the tasks in order of priority. Try to work on more than one activity at a time just in case a due date changes. That way then at least you have that particular activity started. Attention to details. Proofread, proofread, proofread. Seriously, take your time. Accuracy is more important than speed. Check and recheck your assigned work before submitting to your supervisor. Communication. Avoid slang, speak clearly and concisely, and proofread all emails before hitting send. Confidentiality and privacy laws. You are responsible to maintain the strictest level of confidentiality. If you are unaware what is confidential or the appropriate level of confidentiality, please discuss with your supervisor. Organizations may also require you to sign a confidentiality agreement. Your workspace. Keep your workspace tidy by organizing papers and files. Use file folders if possible. Make sure that all documents are placed in a secure place at the end of the day to avoid any privacy breaches. That might be as simple as a locked drawer in your desk or a filing cabinet. Customer service. Please remember that you are representing both CNA and the business you have been placed with. Customer service is a huge part of your courses. Apply all that you know when dealing with customers. Address all clients with a positive attitude, exhibit professionalism, have patience, express empathy, and maintain a friendly manner. Remember, if you smile while you're talking, you will actually talk differently. You're on a 6-week job interview. This is your chance to shine. Give it your all. If you do not get a job offer from the employer, ask for a reference letter for your portfolio. Use your new network to see if there are any other opportunities. If you are having any problems, please reach out to your OJ instructor if you have any questions, issues, or concerns during your work placement. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this presentation.